Move. Come here, buddy. You can't run away from me. Come here. There.
Are you videotaping this one?
Oh yeah, I am. I had to start it a couple of times because it ran out.
Come here. Lay down, you little fool. You taping it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Do that video.
Oh yeah, ain't that pretty now?
She's
She's
looking at him like, what'd I do to you? She's not happy.
It'll just take her a little while to get used to them.
Oh
There
yeah.
you go, buddy.
Your father fell down, he's laughing too hard.
What do you think, buddy?
Tiger, what's the matter, baby?
What's going on, buddy? Oh, are you ever something pretty?
She's chewing on them now.
Tiger, buddy. Tiger, buddy, you want to go for a walk? Tiger, you want to go for a walk?
Want to go out? Want to go out, Tiger?
Hey, you want another one on?
Come here. Come here. Get up. You should see her. Well, you will. I'll have to send you the video.
Oh, my God. What a shame.
Tiger.
You gotta get Dad a pair of pink shoes, then they can walk around together.
Yeah.
Big cool. Want one more on? Come on, we'll put one on. Come here. Come here, buddy.
She's gonna bite you.
Come here. No, she won't.
Yeah, now he's putting the other two on.
I'm putting the third one on.
Oh, the third one on?
Yeah.
Oh, this ought to be interesting.
Oh, come here.